So here's how you can unsend and delete your messages on your Instagram account. It's actually really easy to do, so let's get into it. We want to first go ahead and go into our Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store depending on your device, and then simply type in Instagram. And then you want to make sure that your Instagram app is completely updated to the latest version, or else you're not going to be able to follow any of my steps and this will not work. So make sure it's completely updated and then click on the open button once that's been done. So once you're in your Instagram, you want to go over to your DMs section and then find the message that you want to delete. So I'm going to go into my DMs with my other account, and as you can see, I want to just say something, hello boys, and then now I've sent that message, but then I want to delete it. So in order for you to delete this message, all you have to do is go ahead and press and hold on the message for about 2 seconds, and then now it's going to have a bunch of options, and as you can see, the last option, it says unsend, so we're going to go ahead and click on that option. And just like that, we have deleted that message forever in our DMs. You can also do this with older messages. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and press and hold on it, click on unsend, and now that message has been permanently deleted. You can do it with images as well. You can do this with pretty much anything, just not the other person's messages. You cannot delete theirs, so you can only delete your own.